Kuble pibaro kani day ka mathematics class 10 but kadai jong ka chapter 2 polynomials tang ni ngan pani kumno ban Kenya kani ka jingkli ka ban kong jong kani ka exercise 2.1 jingkli ka ong the graphs of y equal px are given in figure 2.10 below for some polynomials px. Taka ong ni ki graph la ai hang ni jong uni y ba equal px kadai polynomial. Kamud y dai polynomial px ha kani ka figure 2.10 kini nriutli na kini ki graph ngidai banwat kani find the number of zeros of px in each case ngidai banwat ya kita ki number of zero na kini ki polynomial tadang ipe kani banengkong kani day y axis kani day x axis but kani ka line yang ni kani ka day ka graph jong kata ka y la ni jong ka polynomial te hang ni ngiwat ya kata ka number of zeros kani ba aru kumju kani x axis kani ka y axis but kani ka curve kani day kata ka graph jong ka polynomial kani ka curve ki day ki graph jong ka y ba equal px. Tedangi page sabakut kani ka chapter 2 kani ka summary hang ni kani ka point number 3 ngyo i hang ni ka cranch pang kata ka zeros jong i polynomial ka ong ni the zeros of polynomial px are precisely the x coordinates of the points where the graph of y equal px intersects the x axis. Te kadai ka number of zeros kadai ka x coordinate jong ka point ha ka ba kata ka graph kaya kendo bat ka x axis kat no teliki point jong kata ka graph kaya kendo ya ka x axis bat ka x coordinate kadai kata ka number of zeros. Ngipai kani banengkong kani ka graph jong kani ka y equal px jong ka polynomial ngi iba kani ka graph ka klem ya kendo bat jong kani ka x axis kamut ka number of zero kaya kendo hang ni point dai jong y axis but jong x axis mdon kamut ka number of zeros hang ni kadai zero dan ngipai kani ba r kani ka graph kadai daga curve kumni but ngi iba ha kani ka x axis kani ka graph kaya kendo ha kani ka point tang ka way ka point kani ka way pat kadai jong y axis but hang ni dai axis kamut tang ka way ka point ha ka ba kani ka graph kaya kendo but ka x axis kamut ka number of zero kadai 1 nang ipe hang ni kani ka graph ngipe kanu teliki point kaya kendo but kini ki but jong kani ka x axis ngi i ba dai hang ni way are lai teli kamut number of zeros dai 3 hang ni dangi pe kani ka graph kaya kendo bat jong kani ka x axis r teli hang ni bat hang ni kamut number of zeros day r hang ni ka graph ka dai kumni ngi pe ka kaya kendo kat no teli ki point ha jong kani ka x axis hang ni way r nang ta lai sao teli ka number of zeros day sao nang ta kani way r lai teli number of zeros day lai ka solution ngi thok kumni answer 1 kumbang yel i lang ba jong ka graph ka klem ya kendo ya kani ka x axis ngi thought the number of zeros is 0 as the graph does not cut the x axis at any point ka baar ngi i ba ka graph ya kendo ya ka x axis tang ka way ka point ngi thought the number of zeros ka dai 1 as the graph intersects the x axis at only one point ka balai ki don lightly the number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x axis at 3 points ka basau the number of zeros is 2 as the graph intersects the x axis at 2 points. Kabasan kadai 4 the number of zeros is 4 as the graph intersects the x axis at 4 points. Kabahan riu the number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x axis at 3 points. Kublaish bon.